just want to make this in English for all the non-Tamil people especially, because everyone who don't know what has happened to Eela Tamilargal, the Tamil people in Sri Lanka, what they've suffered through, and what the Tamil community has suffered through, and why we have a Remembrance Day on May 18th every single year. Just for a moment, close your eyes and imagine right in front of you, your mother, your sister, your wife. Their clothes are torn off. They are stripped completely naked and hunted like animals. Your hands are tied. You can't do nothing but watch and scream in pure pain. This is not a movie. This is the exact horror that has happened to Tamil women in Mullai Baikad. Stripping them naked in front of their parents, in front of their crying children, raping them in groups. How can any human even find the words to describe the torture? How can we describe those final death screams? Every terrible thing you can do to a human body, they did it. They lined up little children and shot them in head. Babies crying of hunger had gun barrels shoved into their mouths and fired. They chopped off heads, they chopped off hands, they cut off legs, they sliced off the breasts of women with knives, laughing as these women bleed to death. While they were still alive, they dug their eyes out, poured petrol on them, and threw them into roaring fires. Those monsters stood there celebrating and filming until human beings turned into ash. Your body shakes just hearing this, doesn't it? We lived through this. This was the actual death of our own families, own Tamil families, community suffered through this. You watching this right now, think about it for 1 second. When your child gets a small scratch, your heart panics. Over that, bombs fell and tore babies apart. Parents had to watch his children twist and die in front of them. They could not even bury their bodies. They had to leave them and run for their lives. Can you even imagine that pain? Do not just swipe past this like regular news. This is the poison our people were forced to drink. They did not just lose their land. Humanity itself was buried in the dirt. Countries around the world sat in total silence watching this massacre happen just for the political gain. That silence, the tears of mothers who lost their babies, the blood of our ruined sisters, the ashes of the people burned alive, none of it will be forgotten. To those who tried to wipe us out, understand this, you did not destroy the Tamils. These rapes, these tortures, these murders, they are fire burning inside us through every generation. History might try to hide it, but we will tell this pain to every child born after us, every single drop of our blood, every single tears until the world gives us justice. This voice will never stop, never ever in your imagination.